Welcome to the portal. We're inside the portal. This is exciting. We're happy to be here. What we're really excited for is to give you this tool that'll add increased convenience as well as increased transparency to the day-to-day managing of your farm. Just a couple things to notice right off the bat as we're here. First off, this is what we call our message board. Anytime or from time to time, the members of the Farmland Company team will send out messages, whether it's to our entire client base, letting you know kind of, hey, this is what's going on, or if we send you a message individually, you will receive an email when those messages are uploaded to the portal. And there'll be a link there inside of that email, embedded in the email, that you can click on that'll bring you here. And this is where those messages will be found. While we're on that note, especially as this gets going and this is new, if you have any questions or concerns about the portal or how it's working or what you feel like it should be doing that it's not doing, please don't hesitate and feel really free to reach out to the office. We're very happy to hear from you and help in any way that we can. And again, just by phone or email or whatever works for you. But again, don't hesitate. And then off to the side of the message board, we will have a farm map. From time to time, as we drive, as we're out driving around, if we happen to drive by your farm and take a photo, we might upload it here and just let you know, hey, there's a new photo of the farm. Feel free to check it out. But generally speaking, that'll be a map. Next on the portal is our inspections. Annually, as you know, we go and inspect the farm, and then we send that inspection out, whether it's via email or via snail mail. Moving forward from here on out, those will always be uploaded to the portal. And you'll receive a notification email when that inspection is uploaded to your portal, so you don't have to be guessing. But this will be the only way that we disperse those moving forward. And that is for your convenience to be able to, you always know where it is. You don't have to go looking for an email. You don't have to go looking for the packet and the file that who knows where. It'll just always be right here for you. And so the document itself looks exactly the same. Nothing new there. It still has our comments. It still has the pictures. And then if there's any buildings or anything like that, still here. And so again, yeah, the document is the same, but our delivery method will be 100% via the portal. Next is our real estate taxes. You, at any point, and this is, let me point out really quickly, this will be the same as all of these tabs will be segregated by years for easy finding and easy querying for you. So as we add another inspection, it'll be added here, a new tab, just like it is here, okay? The real estate taxes, we'll upload these each year. It'll have your parcel numbers and then the amounts from the current year as well as the previous year. Nothing complicated there, but again, just for your convenience, so you know what that looks like. Leases, this number right here, these two numbers, 2021 to 2025, that is just your current lease term. If we go in here, you will then have access to, and this is just the standard lease, but your lease, your crop share lease or cash rent lease will always be uploaded to the portal for each and every one of your farms that you manage or that we manage on your behalf. And so you'll see the lease terms, you'll see the signatures of both your farm manager and the tenant, and that'll be there for your disposal at any time. Next is the production and sales. This is actually the tab that we're probably the very most excited about. This will be each year during harvest. We receive crop division reports from the elevators as the farmers the tenants deliver the grain to the elevators. And then we upload those into our system as those come in. And so as we go into this, you'll be able to see kind of as it happens, obviously the crop year, the crop, club wheat, and then your acres, the total production to date, and then which will give us the actual yield. This will just show you your share based on your owner percentage, the elevator that it's delivered to, and then the balance to sell. Okay, so this will be, these are just all the production that's come in, and then it shows us how much has been sold and whether or not payment has been received. So this, again, this is kind of almost what we're most excited about is just giving you the opportunity to be able to kind of track those the crops as they come in and the process that we are at in terms of receiving payment, selling the crop, as we know that ultimately that's where the money is made for you, is in that crop. And so hopefully that gives some understanding there of that process. Next, and I'll just draw your attention, every time that there's a new document uploaded to your portal, there will just be a little widget. And if there's 2 documents or 3 documents, that number will change accordingly. But this just kind of represents where new documents are at. Another annual document that we send out each year is your year-end documents. That includes your 1099s. That includes just everything that you send to your accountant. And so we'll upload those here. Again, just like the inspections, we won't be sending those out via snail mail. We won't be emailing anything. Those will just all be uploaded here to the portal so that, again, you have 24-hour access, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to be able to access that. And like I said, again, this will have this document as well as 1099s and everything else that you need to send to your accountant that you can just print out or just email it to him. Okay. This is a miscellaneous tab. More often than not, there won't be any records here. But if there needs to be, there can be, and that's where they'll be found. And then if we go into our insurance, this will have both crop insurance documents. It'll show your mapping and everything that we send on to the crop insurance agency, and then property and casualty documents as well. Okay. In terms of accessing the actual documents, okay, so if we click on a document here and we want to download this because we're going to send this on to our accountant, this little button right here is the download button. So we'll click on that, and then that'll bring us to this screen right here, okay? And then we just have to click download, and you can save it on your desktop. You can save it in whatever folder you prefer, or you can just go straight to printing, okay? But that's how you do that. Nothing's too complicated there, too hard. But if you have any issues, and it might look a little different depending on which interface, or this is on Google Chrome, but if you're using Firefox or Internet Explorer or Safari, it might look slightly different, but that'll be the process in general. So again, if you have, that's our portal. If you have any questions, if there's any issues with functionality, if there's any issues with logging in or anything like that, again, please call our office and don't struggle too hard trying to figure it out only to be more frustrated. We want this to be as smooth as we can. We want it to work well for you, and really just give you one closer touch or one option to be that much closer to the farm as it progresses on an annual basis. Thank you. We appreciate you and your willingness to allow us the opportunity to touch and to help manage your farmland legacy, and we hope that to continue into the future.